Everyone, I'm Candace Kanker with the Coconino County Health and Human Services Tobacco and Chronic Disease Prevention Program, and I'm here today along with my team to talk to you about nicotine cessation. We all know about the harmful health effects of smoking and using other commercial tobacco products, and there's also a lot of risk and uncertainty about using vape and e-cigarette products. Breaking nicotine addiction can be incredibly difficult, and I'd like to start by saying thank you to all of you for taking the time to learn more about nicotine cessation. Cessation is a process, and it sometimes involves relapse, and it also requires a lot of planning and support. We know through research that the most effective methods of quitting nicotine involve a combination of FDA approved cessation medications and cognitive therapy. But we also know that a lot of people have managed to quit using nicotine in a variety of different strategies and resources. With that in mind, we've created this Quit Kit. It contains a variety of materials and items that are intended to help people quit using nicotine. It is intended to be used as part of a comprehensive cessation program and not as a standalone resource. I'm going to pass things over to Tiffany so that she can tell you more about the contents of the Quit Kit. Please keep in mind that some of the items she shows you may vary slightly from the items in your kit. Thanks, and I'll see you in a bit.
Hey everyone, Tiffany Kerr here, Public Health Educator, Tobacco and Chronic Disease Prevention Program. As Candace mentioned, I'm going to walk you through everything that's inside of our amazing Quit Kits. To start off, we have a few pieces of documentation. The first being how to use the kit. If you want to follow along with me, feel free, but this here is a list of everything you'll find inside of the bag. The next thing is your Toolkit to Quit guide. It includes a list of reliable websites, free downloadable apps, text lines, quit lines, and on the back here is a QR code that'll link you directly to our county website. The next thing is a comprehensive list of FDA approved medications. Now, before you use any of these, we do recommend consulting with a healthcare provider to help determine what will work best for your body. And the last documentation is our quit plan. Now, Samantha and Mark are going to go through this with you in a little bit more detail, but I just wanted to make you aware that you'll find this in the bag. Now, the next set of resources we have are tools to help curb a nicotine craving. We know that most cravings only last a couple of minutes. So if you can utilize any of these tools, you'll be more successful at quitting. The first thing we have is a purple hand tangler. Now you can put this in your hand in place of a cigarette, in place of a vape pen, or in place of a can of chewing tobacco. The next thing we have is a journal and pen. We know that writing your thoughts and feelings down, successes or challenges, are super beneficial along your quit journey, so we do highly encourage you to use this. The next thing we have, which is my favorite, is our adult coloring book. It does come with colored pencils. Not only is it a great distraction technique, but it also helps with de-stressing. It's a really fun hobby and I love it. So I highly encourage you to use it too. Now the next thing we have is a pack of gum. Popping a stick in your mouth in place of a cigarette, a vape pen, or chewed tobacco is a great alternative to curbing a nicotine craving. It's also cost efficient. If you compare this, about 99 cents, to the average pack of cigarettes or vape pods or chewing tobacco, it doesn't compare. This is way cheaper and healthier. Now, the last set of resources or tools we have are our oral hygiene products. We have toothpaste and a toothbrush. These used are not only beneficial for your overall health, but they can help you curb nicotine cravings by keeping your mouth fresh and clean. Thank you for your time. I'm going to pass it on over to Samantha and Mark.
Hey, I'm Mark Harms, and I'm a public health educator at Coconino County Health and Human Services, and I work for both the Smoke-Free Arizona program and the Tobacco and Chronic Disease Prevention program. And I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the quit plan today. Now, these cards are designed to help prepare you for your quit journey. So the first thing we need to do is to set a day to quit, right? We need a date. So We probably want to pick a day in the next week or two, and that will give us enough time to prepare. Next, we want to set ourselves up for success. So we want to pick a date that isn't likely to be stressful, like a Monday or a day that you start a new job. Quitting smoking is easier when the people in your life support you. Let them know you're planning to quit and explain how they can help. So let's talk about some social support. Having social support can provide a greater chance in you successfully quitting tobacco and nicotine. Just who is in your circle of support? Might be family, friends, coworkers, maybe a physician, or even a call or a text line. We're also going to want to document when will we contact these people. Examples might be when we're having a craving, or when we want medicinal assistance, or perhaps we just need a boost of confidence. So lastly, let's talk about situation and strategy. You have one goal for the day, to get through the day without using nicotine. So think about your average day. What situations might cause you to want to smoke, chew, or vape? What strategies can we use to get past those cravings? So fill in the blanks with personalized situations and strategies. And you can use the journal that Tiffany spoke about earlier to create more situations and strategies. Doing a little prep work now can take some of the guesswork out of your day, and that should be a big boost to your self-confidence. All right, now I'm going to turn you over to Sam.
Hi, my name is Samantha Toe. I'm a public health educator for Coconino County's Health and Human Services Tobacco and Chronic Disease Prevention Program, and I will continue to show you how to use your personalized nicotine quit plan. So let's continue with motivation. There are many reasons to quit. What is most important to you? You'll circle those on the card or fill in your own. This will help inspire you to stick with your decision to quit when cravings arrive. This section is trigger acknowledgement. Smoking can become automatic for a lot of people, and you might not even realize it when you smoke, chew, or vape. Check off the triggers listed to acknowledge what might cause you to have cravings, and use the blanks to fill in any others that you can think of. This section here, Cravings Action Plan. A Cravings Action Plan is a concrete way to fight the urge to smoke. It can help you deal with specific situations that might arise. Having this action plan ready in advance will help you overcome risky situations. Take a look at the ones suggested and fill in your own. And then lastly, make your zones nicotine free. So cleaning up your clutter can be distracting and productive and will help when cravings arrive. Keeping things around like the water, the gum, the fidget toys, and a photo of your motivation can help you substitute healthier habits for tobacco and nicotine. And then go through all of your areas, your work, your house, your car. Get rid of any cigarettes, canisters, lighters, or vape pens, or any other paraphernalia that you have around, and just get rid of them. Look in bags and glove compartments in your car, go through coat pockets, and don't just throw them away. Destroy them, tear them in half, run water over them, and get rid of any butts you have around the house too. Don't keep an emergency pack hidden anywhere, because that's just planning for failure, and this quit plan is all about success.
So, what is a QR code and how do we use it? Well, a QR code, or quick response code, is a code that's quickly readable by most cell phones, including Apple and Android. Using the camera function, when you scan a QR code, it'll link you directly to that particular product or website. In our case, our QR code that's located on the Toolkit to Quit plan on the far back will link you directly to our tobacco and chronic disease prevention website. To show you, I am going to use my Apple phone. You're going to open the camera function as so. You're going to link that QR code there, and you'll see the Safari function pull up the site. You're going to click on that, and it's going to take you directly to our tobacco and chronic disease mobile site. If I scroll down here, it took me directly to our tobacco and chronic disease prevention webpage, where you can find more information about our program, as well as contact info and additional nicotine cessation resources.
Once again, everyone, thank you for your time. If you need additional quit kits or would like any more information, please don't hesitate contact us. You can call at 928-679-7264, email at info@tcdprevention@coconino.az.gov, or you can scan this QR code to visit our website. Thank you.